Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Infantino Flip Advance 4-in-1 carrier. The material is really good, very durable, and stain proof. When the baby is facing out, he is very comfortable. He is moving, there's nothing obstructing his arms or his legs, and he's also easy on my shoulders. It's not an easy job to be carrying around a 25-pound baby. When the baby is facing in with the Y seat, it gives them the support to have this M shape. And the material for the shoulder pads are very breathable. They don't make you sweat, they don't make you feel uncomfortable, they're just easy to wear. And since the material is really lightweight, I can just fold it and put it on my purse or my backpack. And that's it. I'm ready to go. And that is our point of view.